Hello, my name is Parth Morodia. I am from Group 7 and I am representing student 1 part for ISP and Camfield. So I will start from this one will be my IP address and thing. Let's do for basic things for Camfield. Enable Cisco password, all the basic thing like host name and secret, enable no domain lookup, message of the day will be showing off like that, and demonstrate IPO interface. So for interface, either interface will assign this IP address is connected with broken island, so it's this, and for serial connection is like up, and with ISP connection for primary and secondary IP address is like up. Campaign demonstrate the whole configuration and part. Yeah, here is the interface, domain loop, and the loopback internet is 1.1.1.1.0. Yeah, host name compiled is and enabled password 0, password stack time is all of the things as listing here, no IP domain lookup, and interface gig 0 primary to ISP, interface gig 0 secondary to ISP, serial connection is looking here. Here is you can see over router OSPF neighbors are showing here, and all the router requirement is OSPF is connected with the broken land, so their internet neighbors are showing here. For net lookup, so IP net will be looking here, the IP net pool is here, and some static routing for internet access is looking here. Access leads here, well, message of the day. Camfold is net is domain looking here. So net pool is working, so let me show you the net pool. My internet is 11.11.11.11. Yeah, that's working. Let me show the IP net translation. Yeah, you can see the pinging from this side and pin outside from this local address to this here. Yeah, so group 3 is PC3, so I will present to PC subnet mask on PC3 for that. Here's the PC3, and here's the IP config on. Find out all the things are showing here, and enable secret will be let me ping with the PC3 to PC2, and PC2 IP address is 56.3. So PC2 IP address will be PC 56.3 swapping with 56.3, ping 10.0 point 56.3. Yeah, it's working. Let me show the PC3 is pinging with gateway itself. So gateway is 59.1, ping 10.0.59.1. Yeah, it's already pinging, and PC3 is already pinging with internet as well. Yeah, as you can see. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sanjay Balguri and I'm bearing student ID 2567921, and in this video I'll demonstrate the connectivity of Brook Island, Fisherman Road and PC1, which are the part of student 2 from the case study. So let's look onto the Brook Island first. Let's move on to the first question from the case study, and here the first question is to demonstrate that all the required interfaces on the device are configured with correct IPs and are functioning. And to do that, we have to type the command show IP interface brief. And now you can see that all the IP addresses are properly assigned and are active in state. And now let's go on to the question number 2. Let's view the command show IP protocols. Here you can also see the broken inlet router, which its IP addresses. And now let's go to question number 2 from the case study. Here the question number 2 is to see that the demonstrate the OSPF on the device is enabled with all the required networks advertised and the OSPF is functioning properly. And to do that, let's type the command show IP route OSPF. And now we can verify that the OSPF is configured successfully and is active in state. And then we can also see the route of OSPF by command show IP route. Now here you can see the gateway of the Brook Inlet or the Brook Island. And that's all for the Brook Island. Now let's move on to the Fisherman Rod. First question for the Fisherman Rod is to show that the switch SVI is configured with correct IP enable and is in correct gateway. To check that, we have to type the command show IP interface brief. Here we can see that the IP address is connected properly and are in active state. Let's go to the question number 2. The question number 2 says that to show that the switch has two trunks active with native VLAN 555 correctly configured and allowing known VLANs only. And to check that, we have to type the command show interfaces trunk. Yes, and here you can see that the two trunks are under 555 and are native VLANs, and they also have specific VLANs under the port 10, 20, 30, and 99. Let's go for the question number 3. The question number 3 is to show that the switch has 4 VLANs configured and specified ports allocated. And for that, we have to type the command show VLAN brief. Here you can see that the VLAN names are under 10, 20, 30, and 99 are connected to specified ports here. And that's all for the Fisherman dot. And now let's move on to PC1. PC1. Let's open the command prompt. And the first question in PC1 is to show that the PC has correct IP, subnet mask, and gateway. And for that, you have to give the command ipconfig. Here you can see the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway of the PC. And the next question is to show that the PC can ping its gateway, other PCs, and also the internet. Let's first ping the gateway. That is ping 10.0.57.49. As you can see that the ping is successful, and so we got the reply from the gateway. And next we have to check whether we can ping the other PC. For that we have to ping the other PC with IP address 10.0.59.2. And here also we can see it's successful as we get the reply from the other PC too. And lastly, we have to ping the internet. And to ping the internet, it's ping 11.11.11.11. It's successful too, and the reply is received. And that's all for the explanation. Thank you.